So we are heading to Lea.
Mm-hmm. To Lea?
Not the one from Star Wars.
No.
So Jacob, tell us about where we're going.
Well, we kept pushing deeper into the bush here on top of the Metu Mountains, and the end of the way that we can go with the Land Cruiser is this hill right here. And so the only way to reach Lea, and then there's Oku that's down here as well, is to walk down to it. And we went down here in 2014 the first time, and it did evangelism, and that's when a church was birthed here in Lea-Oku. So we combined the church. It's changed the environment a lot. However, during COVID, things retreated a lot, and so we're back in a rebuilding process with the church here in Lea-Oku. And there's some other challenges that we're having to deal with, local challenges. So pray for the church at Lea and Oku. We were just at the church in Chini, which is another church plant. It's not big populations back in these Metu Mountains, but there are people here that have been not reached with the gospel. The local people tell me that the gospel has not ever come back here, and so these churches are being planted in virgin areas, so to speak, and a very challenging lifestyle up here. Most of the folks can't read, and so we've been trying to get audio Bibles and other things, but our main goal is to get pastors trained from the local churches. The two original local churches that we worked with here and continue to work with is Aya Baptist and Ejujo Baptist, and so we've been drawing from those two churches and training young men to come and shepherd these church plants. So we're walking. This is a really steep climb. Going down is difficult too because the rocks are really loose. That's why I'm looking down at my feet here, so I don't slip. But pray for the Metu Mountains, and pray. There's about 20 more villages in these Metu Mountains that do not have a single church in them, and it's very difficult to go from village to village to go worship, and so we need to have churches in each one of these villages. So pray for the Metu Mountains, please.